In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Finance to track stocks. Now you can do this on both beta, so Google Finance Beta, and Google Finance Classic as well. So I'm going to show you how to do it on both. First, let's go to beta because that's kind of the default you're going to be using now, likely. So to actually track stocks over here, you can go to the left, and as you can see, you can of course switch between watch lists and stuff like that. So you can just click on lists over here to display your watch lists, and what you want to do here is basically either create a new list over here, or you could just go ahead and add to this watch list you have over here on the left by default. So I'm gonna just click on the plus button, and I'm going to add something like, for example, Apple. I'm gonna add the plus button, and then I'm gonna search for Tesla as well. There we go. I'm gonna add it like this, and I'm going to search for Nvidia as well, just like that. Click on the plus buttons, and as you can see when I click on done, over here I'm now tracking stocks on the left inside my watch list. So if I click on the watch list itself, it's going to kind of make it a bit bigger over here, and I can see how everything is doing inside my specific watch list. Now again, if you want a new one, click on new list, and you can just create a new one over here and put in whatever you want, and it's gonna get put down here, okay? So that's essentially how to use the Google Finance Beta to track stocks. However, of course, you could also go down here or up here and search for whatever stock you want. So for example, Apple, I can click on it and it's going to show me exactly how it's doing, and I can track it that way or directly add it over here as well to one of my watch lists. Now that's how to do it in the beta version. However, if you are on Classic, you can do the same thing. Up top, you can look for whatever. So for example, if I look for Nvidia like that, I can click on it and it's going to tell me everything I need to know regarding that specific stock. Or I could go to the left, top left, to open main menu. I can create a new watch list or portfolio. I'm going to create a new watch list. I'm going to name it tutorial and click on save. And as you can see here, it's going to give me like a new watch list. And then if I click on it, it's going to open that watch list. And here I can add investments and I can start again. For example, I can add like Apple. I could go ahead and add different things on here. Like if I go and add Nvidia as well, for example, or I mistakenly created a new list. So we get the point. You can click on that specific list plus investment. You can go Nvidia. There we go, I can do that as well. For example, and as you can see, these are all getting added in here. And whenever I click on my list over here, so for example, this tutorial one over here, I can just essentially see how it's doing, how the stocks are doing. I can click on each and every single one of those stocks, and it's going to allow me to basically track them. So that's essentially how to use Google Finance to track stocks. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.